Well, I grew up in the States, you know, and I used to belong similar gym. It's called YMCA in Minneapolis, you know, and also Atlanta, Georgia. And the way it works up there is like, you know, your local gym. There's boxing equipment, there's boxers, there's trainers, there's everybody out there, and the sky's no limit. It's what you like. You know, there's a lot of potential, right? So if you want to continue and pursue your, you know, what makes you happier, you can make it happen. It's, you know, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's pretty much like you can make it happen whatever you like to do.
Fast, fast!
I train myself daily. 4 a.m., wake up in the morning, just until like 7, 8, you know. And then we do like serious cardio, heavy cardio, boxing, like, you know, weightlifting. And then we go to work, just regular daily. We get the bread, right? Running and then come back, stay at home for the kids, and then come back again for the gym in the evening. Until you become like, you know, pretty much like, you know, yes, you're a boxer now. What I see is people, like, you know, don't have a lot of knowledge about this, so I'm just glad to fit in, you know what I mean? So I encourage them to join any local gym, wherever is close to you. Make sure you join it. Healthy body, it's healthy mind. Young guys are very enthusiastic to learn this stuff. I'm just happy to teach them. And the way they're taking it is absolutely phenomenal. Like, you know, I see that they are, like, you know, still hungry for this, right? What I encourage for the youngsters from Somalians to continue working out. Like, working out will help you to give you a nice body with healthy body. Every human being, like, you know, must work out 2 hours a day. Like, if you don't even have equipment, you can do push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, squats, all that stuff, you know. For me, coming from overseas, right, like North America for the past 24 years, I'm just excited to be in my country, original country. This is where my family, my father, my ancestors from here, right? And I'm just excited, you know, to see something real bright and optimistic. The fact is, I see on my own eyes, it's getting much better, like time after time. So you don't even have to have equipment to work out. The most important thing, just get sweat. It's like, you know, through some blood, like, you know, circulation in your heart. That way you will feel better. And then healthy body is healthy mind. You make a good decisions eventually. Like, you know, when you work out, you feel good. You know, less stress. Put it that way.